Clean under the sink and around pipes by working from the top down, so you remove grime efficiently and avoid recontamination. Start by clearing everything out and setting items aside in a clean area so you have full access to the cabinet floor and pipework. Use a flashlight and inspect for leaks, corrosion, mold, and pest signs before you begin cleaning so you can address repairs or mitigation first. For routine cleaning, mix a warm water and mild dish soap solution and use a microfiber cloth to wipe shelves, walls, and the cabinet floor. Then follow with a disinfectant spray suitable for bathrooms to reduce bacteria. For pipes and coverings, remove any loose covers or peel back plastic liners carefully to expose joints and trap areas, wiping with a damp cloth and a soft brush for crevices. Avoid abrasive pads that can damage metal or chrome finishes. If you encounter mineral buildup on metal components, use a 1-to-1 mixture of white vinegar and water applied with a cloth and left for a few minutes. Then scrub gently and rinse. Neutralize vinegar on stone or delicate finishes by wiping with plain water afterward. Keep a small plastic tray or mat under pipes to catch drips, and replace or launder any fabric liners regularly to prevent must and odor. For persistent mold, treat with a diluted bleach solution, following label instructions, and ensure good ventilation by leaving the cabinet door open until fully dry. Common mistakes include skipping an inspection and missing slow leaks that cause hidden damage, so always check fittings and feel for moisture and repair small leaks, or call a plumber promptly. Another error is using harsh abrasives or concentrated acids on pipe finishes, which can pit or strip protective coatings, so choose mild cleaners and test in an inconspicuous spot first. A third is ignoring the backs and corners where dust and pest droppings accumulate, so peel back liners and run a narrow brush or vacuum crevice tool to dislodge debris before wiping down surfaces. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences about tasks like sink and pipe cleaning. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to present services and engage with homeowners in our community.